So I've been wanting to do this vlog thing for a while now. A couple weeks ago, went fishing with my buddy Mike. Mike has a channel called Crappie. Looks like it's spelled like Quaddy, but pronounced Quaddy. So after doing his video, that trip with him, he recorded a couple videos. For it, I decided, go ahead, I'm gonna do it. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to do the start a new channel or just do this with my existing ISO Power channel, since it's not, kinda is company related, but you know, kinda isn't. But I decided screw it. We are gonna do it on this channel. So here's the plan. Today is Friday. I've got a couple campsites reserved for Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday night. I've got a Kodiak Canvas truck bed tent. I'll be sleeping in for the first time. I set it up last weekend just to get familiar with it. It's kind of a little bit of a process, but I've got down now. I think I could probably get that thing up in 15 minutes. Probably not much longer than a regular tent. So we'll see how that holds up this weekend. Also have some cooking stuff we want to do. Of course, we'll do the catch and cook. Crappie down there are spawning right now, so we're gonna have some a fish fry. Got this trip, probably break it up in a couple videos since it's a 3-day trip. Do work night shift, so I am been up all night. Been up since I woke up about 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. It is now 10 after 7. So this is usually what happens when I take some time off to go camping or fishing. I end up staying up for 24 hours that first day, then get back in sync on a normal schedule. So yeah, I railroad all night, sleep, build power boxes till I have to go to work. Started. That is pretty much, that has been my life. Hope you guys can hear me okay. Never actually recorded myself in the truck before. Probably invest in some more equipment. I would like to get a microphone, a few other things. You know what I really need to do is get a suction cup holder, or a suction cup mount for these GoPros. Howdy.
Hello, sir.
I was looking around. I wasn't paying attention.
Okay. So you know why I stopped you there?
No, I know. Yep.
Okay.
As soon as I seen you, I looked at it. I was like, Ah, shit, I'm going 55 and 45. Yep.
You have your license with you today?
I do.
And, insurance and registration for the truck?
Yeah, reach right here. It's just, okay.
You look like you do a lot of fishing.
Yeah, I actually own a ice fishing company.
Do you?
Yeah. Got my stuff in here. I don't think that smells from someone. Oh, that one's expired. I should probably clean this stuff out. That one's expired. This one's recent.
So is your company just based out of Nebraska, or is there actual ice fishing in Nebraska?
Oh no, there's ice fishing.
Is it really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're in the southern end of the ice belt.
Okay. All right.
Here you go.
I'm guessing probably. Oh, well, cool. Probably the north side of Nebraska then.
No, Lincoln, Waverly.
Lincoln.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we have. Oh, there's.
I did not know that it got cold enough to.
Oh yeah.
Or for a long period of time.
Yeah, I mean, we're the southern end of the ice belt. Most of my stuff goes to Minnesota as far as my sales. Minnesota, Michigan, Wisconsin. But yeah, it's basically I make power supply boxes for ice fishing houses.
Okay, so you do equipment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And kayaks. I'm starting to get into kayak stuff.
Okay.
Look here. That's it right there.
So what is that? Oh, that's a power box?
Yeah, it's a power box. Battery in there, you can charge your phone, run your GoPro. Guys use them to heck, some like metal detectors, like charge their metal detectors with them, and like 12 volt. I guess there's 12 volt telescopes for like astrophotography.
I have one.
Yeah. Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I had this guy. I didn't even know that existed.
That thing will run those for a certain amount of time.
Yeah. I've got I'll show you a picture. I've got like 20,000 people that follow my company on Facebook, and I had this guy write in, and I posted his pictures of him posing with it with my power box. Like I didn't even know that was a thing.
Tell you what, keep looking for it.
Yeah.
And I'll take a look at it when I come back. I'll be right back with you.
Okay, sounds good. Check that out.
Right on.
Is that pretty similar to what you have?
Yeah, that one's a little bit bigger, but it's about similar to what I've got. Yeah.
Yeah, I built boxes for two guys that do that.
Really?
Yeah, and a bunch of like ham radio guys too.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Here's all your stuff back.
All right.
Just a warning for you. Make sure you slow down and watch your speed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I was looking around. I'm like, oh wow, that lake's pretty low. I'm gonna be camping right down.
10-4, thank you. You have a business card?
Just stickers. I just do the stickers.
Just do the stickers? Okay.
Yeah.
You're online or?
Oh yeah, yep. Yeah, the website's right there on the bottom of the sticker.
Okay.
isopower.com.
All right.
But yeah.
So for the telescopes, do you have to specifically make those? Are they different than the ones that you generally make, like the one you have back there?
No,
they're not.
Like, how do you power your?
Appreciate it. Drive safe.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Well, guys, I made it. Got camp all set up. Got the tent. Got basically the kitchen. We got the I guess it's spillway or pond. To the main lake we're gonna fish. We got the dam. The dam is like right behind us. So I think it's time. Yeah, it's 11:30. It's 11:30 in the morning. I've been up since 4 yesterday. It's time for me to have a beer. I'm gonna have one of these little red beers. I'm gonna have myself a beer. Then I'm gonna take a little nap. Now we have my buddy's gonna be here about an hour and a half. So I'll take a little siesta, get back up, check in when he gets here. That's Ryan and his son. It's about 2 o'clock, so it's actually, we'll get a couple hours in. Oh. Time to go get some coffee. I want to get those guys pulling up.
Why?
For my video.
Oh, that's what you have.
Is that them? All right. It's go time.
That's fine. Like that.
Yeah, that's what I heard. He sent me a text. He sent me a text like 50 minutes ago saying they got lost and they were 30 minutes out. So I think they probably got lost again after that.
Oh shit, you did beat us. Where's your car?
Huh?
Where's your car?
I walked and beat you.
Oh, there.
My back. You're hunched over like this, trying to sit in it.
So this is what we're doing. Jalapeno, bacon, cream cheese poppers.
Those and then some chips, burgers, or we got plenty of Ross want to do?
I want to eat the fish.
Yeah, you want burgers or no, that's tomorrow. Okay.
Whatever. Doesn't matter to me.
I was hoping those would be easy enough to cook up.
Oh yeah, this is great.
They're right inside the door. I think Sam's Club had them. I walked by them today. I'm like, no shit. They're like all pre-made and ready to go. What did you want to put in here?
Yeah, it doesn't get any better than that.
Whatever.
I got one more bag of fries. Oh, there it is. You got it. Sweet.
Muscles, man. It's all about muscles.
Dad,
That's what one day,
Dad.
our one campground,
Captain Morgan private stock.
we drank the whole bottle. Remember, play poker?
Yeah.
It was. Oh, we had your tin out. We passed around the private stock and everybody drank it in like 2-3 passes.
Because that was the...
Oh.
You were there.
Yeah.
Oh!
That's good.
Yeah, I almost brought the Artie to break down. Thunderstorm pets. Yeah, every day we woke up, they ate part of our campsite.
Well, they tore open the bag of chips.
Yeah.
And then the next night,
Oh, the raccoons?
Oh, bread. They ate like the hot dog buns or something. Hamburger buns.
and they opened the peanuts.
Yeah, there you go.
I thought you guys went nuts playing poker because there's peanuts all over the table on the ground, like 15 feet away. I thought you guys had a fight or something out here. I was like, no, I think raccoons were eating them.
There's
I'm
some.
not sure.
I've got a cooler that's
Something was up there.
Okay, do you want these?
Walked right into camp, Aiden.
I brought Miller's.
Right.
Do you have your skewers?
Oh, Jesus, I gotta get everything out?
Yeah.
Oh, you want bloody, don't you?
I do want a bloody X.
And then you got to put it all away before it rains on it, so it's not ruined on the first night.
Yeah, so we have throw stuff in my Jeep or something then? At night?
Well, if I sleep with him,
You said you are sleeping with him. It was even Facebook
That's
official.
stuck on
You said it was Facebook
No, you didn't miss
official.
a
You
thing.
two are sleeping together.
you. You won't miss a thing.
Does this smell like chloroform?
Is that why you snore so loud?
you're a
Bro
pretty heavy
gets
sleeper.
destroyed.
You're a heavy sleeper, right?
Oh yeah.
You know, he didn't commit. He said if I sleep with
Right.
him.
Your throat hurts. Sleep it outside.
Yeah, he's still debating
Alright,
it.
you want to go camping? Throat. Oh no, he said I am sleeping with Steve tonight. I was like, all right, whatever you want to do, dude. Yeah. You just do you. You're camping, man. All the rules are out the window.
I wouldn't keep putting that in my face. I got a million of them.
Steve, I assume you want one?
I didn't let the dog
Virgin?
Virgin,
Just joking. Yeah.
double whiskey, 3 of everything.
Jeremy, I've heard legends about your Bloody Mary.
Now it's going to be on video.
They're all true. It's all true.
Time and time again.
It's all true.
Usually these are more of a breakfast treat, but we can have them for dinner.
I don't believe
That's what I'm saying.
Trying to justify.
What if we're still up and having them?
Ben. Trying to justify the Bloody Mary. They're also good for supper.
I don't know why you're so anti.
That's awesome. They're good in the
Live
morning.
life, no rule.
Good for afternoon.
If I want a Bloody Mary for dinner, I'll have a Bloody Mary for dinner. Yeah, that Worcestershire does it.
Donut.
Yeah.
That's the key.
What's
Ooh, donut.
What's the Worcestershire?
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce.
That's the key of my marinade.
Yeah.
I haven't even touched my Bloody Mary.
Why are you doing all of the work? That's what I want to know.
I don't know.
Because he's better.
Yeah, he's good at it.
No, I'm not.
Why don't you delegate?
He's very good at it.
All right, you're in charge of the poppers. Here, let me put
I
these
don't
ones
know what
on.
I'm doing on poppers.
Why don't you delegate? Oh, I don't know shit.
I didn't mean to me so much. Hey, tell me what you need. I'm in.
Yeah, if you want to do poppers,
Okay.
I'm pretty well.
I want to do pooples.
What time is it?
7:08.
Yeah, I'm at about 27 hours.
Yeah,
Well,
you're
I did-
definitely a Bloody Mary behind.
I did take a nap.
Oh, did you?
I-
Woke him up from his nap.
I had
I
a
didn't know you were here.
I had a 2-hour nap.
On his own grill.
Yeah, I've burned down a grill before.
You burnt down a grill?
Why?
Yep. Didn't clean the grease off of it a long time ago. I walked out with all the meat in my hand and turned my grill. It's on fire.
The siding's melting down the side of the
like
house.
cotton time. And the neighbor lady's over there
Damn.
screaming, "Ah, your grill!"
You don't know your grill?
Oh yeah, I just willed it to the curb. It was done.
Oh yeah. At that point, there's nothing you can do.
You gotta use a straw for that one. So make sure you get that in the crack.
Coffee. That coffee's ready to go for the morning.
Yeah.
That's a Bloody Mary. Oh, you know what? Shrimp.
That's rather
We had
shrimp.
shrimp and what else did we forget? Yeah, that's yours.
Forgot the chicken wings.
No,
Shrimp and cheese.
Cheese, yeah.
Yeah.
Cuba cheese.
It's that Worcestershire. That's the secret.
Yeah. It adds that extra kick to it.
Yep.
I didn't know you were throwing something there.
I think so.
His face.
Oh, I better send that picture of Tom.
That was funny.
What time's he coming down? Say about 9-ish?
Yeah, I think so.
It's mine.
9, 10.
I don't know, but this guy catches fish.
Yeah.
He's,
I'd say many pictures
Yeah.
of him.
We should try that.
we should.
Oh, the thing with the fish?
Yeah. We're out here.
I mean, it couldn't hurt.
Power,
I did get pulled over
I think they are now.
on top of the dam.
Did you really?
I was going 55. I've got it all on camera.
Nice.
Yeah, dude was super cool. So, yeah.
Well, look at you taking charge.
Hey, I'm trying.
Oh, Jeremy delegated.
We got 1 or 2 little hot spots.
He's like, you should delegate something. I was like, okay, you want to cook poppers?
I thought that he was over here doing
I
everything.
wasn't talking about me.
I didn't mean me.
Hey, I'm over here. I'm doing it. Might need some non-stick spray. Cream cheese leaking out and sticking
Yeah.
to everything.
I didn't bring
You know what? I wiped it down with oil.
I think you got to go really high heat, get that bacon seared to kind of hold it in, since there's no toothpicks.
Is that what we
I don't know.
what went wrong?
I don't know.
That's what you show.
I've never cooked them before, so I don't know.
These are spicy.
They just look tasty, and they had bacon on them, so I thought, what the hell? And you're on camera,
Wax on, wax off.
so keep the penis in the pants.
Still? I thought I was on vacation.
You were. Now you're in front of the camera. And this is going on his YouTube channel.
Hey, don't forget there's video. Is that running too?
Yeah.
Ah.
Not like that.
Completely did it wrong.
Right out of the gate, I did
Yeah.
it wrong.
God damn it, I should have brought those taco pickles.
Huh?
Yeah, you clean the fish.
The only
Soaking up the bacon grease.
fish.
Those, we'll cook all them off too for Aiden and then, wait a minute. Really good, Jeremy. There's a fish here.
Thanks.
Really good.
Oh, don't float his ego. It's too early in the
No,
trip.
no, just keep going.
Oh, all right.
There,
A little more.
There, keep going. Keep going.
Probably the best Bloody Mary I've ever had. I told you,
Here
man.
it comes. Oh, those smell good too.
I like it.